The City of Farmington invites community members to share their feedback on the draft Arts and Cultural District Economic Development Plan. Farmington's outdoor art installation program received an award from the New Mexico Recreation and Parks Association, and Thanksgiving Day is the top reported day for home cooking fires. Learn how you can stay safe this holiday season with tips from the National Fire Protection Association. You're watching the Local News Roundup, brought to you by Durango Motor Company and Dr. Graff Orthodontics. I'm Sadie Smith. The City of Farmington seeks community comments on the draft Arts and Cultural District Economic Development Plan. A public input workshop will take place from 5:30 to 7 p.m. on Tuesday, December 2nd at the Artifacts 302 Gallery on East Main Street. A grant from New Mexico Main Street supports the city's efforts to become a state-authorized arts and cultural district. The initiative aims to enhance the district's creative and cultural economy and celebrate the community's heritage. To review the draft plan, visit the City of Farmington website. Farmington's Art in the Heart sculpture program received the Arts and Humanities Award from the New Mexico Recreation and Parks Association. Art in the Heart is an open-air gallery in Farmington's downtown corridor with 17 sculptures by local and regional artists on display. The sculptures are available for purchase and will remain on Main Street through May 2026. This marks the city's third year hosting the program. Visit the City of Farmington website to learn more. The National Fire Protection Association reminds you to stay safe and cook with caution this holiday season. The NFPA reported more than 1,400 home cooking fires on Thanksgiving Day in 2023, nearly 400 times higher than the daily average. Thanksgiving Day is the #1 day for home cooking fires in the United States, followed by Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. The majority of home fires in the U.S. are caused by cooking incidents, particularly unattended cooking. NFPA officials say to remain in the kitchen when the stovetop is on and to remain in the house when cooking a turkey. NFPA officials do not recommend the use of turkey fryers and instead suggest that you purchase a fried turkey from the store or use a fryer that doesn't require oil. Learn more about these and other stories online at farmingtonlocal.news. Thank you for watching this edition of the Local News Roundup. I'm Sadie Smith.